Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Kia Telluride. This is the LX trim with the V6. And I absolutely love these. It's actually a very rare opportunity, especially right now, to see these on dealer lots. Because every time I've gone to film one of these, it's sold the day before I got to it. So these, I've not seen one sit on our lot for more than a week for the past 2 or 3 months. Pretty impressive. $35,370 is the price point, which is really cheap for what you get. Tons of rear seat room back here. So for 2021, they added a couple little features, expanded colors for all the trim levels. This one might be a brand new color, Everlasting Silver, and it's absolutely beautiful. It has like a bluish silver tint to it. It's awesome. Black interior color. Only option this one has is carpeted floor mats. That's it. Another new feature for 2021 is the addition of the push button, well, not push button start, remote start, that's it, as I drop the key everywhere. Fully automatic windows on all 4 windows. Wow. Another neat feature is the speakers say Telluride on them. Really nice materials. For this price point, you cannot beat it. Bunch of different drive modes. You have Smart, Sport, Comfort, Eco, and Snow. Mainly for transmission tuning. I don't think the steering gets heavier in Sport. No, it doesn't. So what I've been doing is just leaving it in Smart mode. So when you get onto the gas, you start taking turns kind of quick, it will transfer right over into Sport mode. Whereas if you're just kind of cruising around, you don't want that increased throttle response and all that, it's in Comfort mode. So now it's made the shift to Sport. And then once I settle back down, it's now in Comfort. Pretty smart idea. Hey, see what I did there? I didn't even mean to do that. And then when you're being extremely fuel efficient, it will go straight over into Eco. Pretty cool. How does it drive? Really well, actually. I think the last one I drove stickered for close to 50,000. But this one being relatively entry level, 35,000 is a bargain for these. Rides really well over those bumps, honestly. So it's a 3.8 liter naturally aspirated V6, tons of torque, tons of power, no complaints there at all. And then once you're done doing some sporty driving, give it a minute, it'll go straight back to comfort. Overall, the 2021 Telluride, it's an awesome vehicle, especially for being Kia's full-size SUV. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please stay tuned for future videos, and I will see you in the next one.